Hey everyone, it's Yoslin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a closet cleanout, which was very much needed because my room was a mess. I'm going to be cleaning out my workout drawer, my pants drawer, my pajama drawer, my closet, and I'm also going to be getting rid of a couple other things that I just didn't need anymore. So if you want to see everything that I get rid of and just me cleaning out my closet in general, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna declutter is my workout clothes because I have a lot of clothes in there that I don't even wear. So I'm gonna be going through it and getting rid of some of the stuff. But for this, it's all gonna be in time lapse. That way it doesn't take like a really long time for you guys to watch me go through everything. I'm gonna change the camera angle so you guys can see since it's inside my drawer and not inside my closet. Okay, so sorry if you hear any background noise, but this is what the drawer looks like now. I have my tops that are a bit of a thicker material on this side, and then these ones are just tops that are from different brands. These ones are all the same brand. These are all black leggings, but they're all like different, so that's why I have those. And then these ones are shorts, and these ones are colored leggings. So we have like tie-dye and blue and all that. And I even have some space for some more clothes if I did get more. I like this. It's a lot more space, and I'm going to show you guys what I ended up getting rid of. What I ended up getting rid of was this top. I actually made this one, and it is really cute, but I never wear it, so that's why I'm getting rid of it, because I'm trying to get rid of things that I don't wear even if I still like them or they're so cute. I'm trying to get rid of things that I just don't wear in general. I'm getting rid of these shorts. They're too small. They're like one size too small. They're really cute, but they don't fit me. They even have pockets, but yeah, they don't fit. So that's why I'm getting rid of them. They are also a size too small, so I'm gonna be getting rid of them. I could wear them, but they're not comfortable to wear, so I don't think I'd ever wear them. So that's why I'm getting rid of these ones too. I have these black leggings that I'm getting rid of. They're like loose fitted, but they're super like high on me, like the cut. I don't know, I just don't really like how these fit, so that's why I'm getting rid of them. And then these last ones, I don't like the material, so that's the reasoning for this one. But they're just plain black leggings. There's not really much to them. I got rid of 5 things from that drawer. I think that's pretty good. So now I'm gonna go on to the next thing that I'm going to be decluttering. I have a lot of pants, and I'm going to be finally getting rid of the ones that I either don't wear or just don't fit me at all. As you guys can tell, there's a lot of them. So yeah, it mostly looks like it's more jeans than it is because they're all like not folded. I'm actually struggling on which jeans to get rid of. I've laid them all out. I kind of put them in categories of the brand. Like these are Cotton On, these are Levi's. I'm really bad at getting rid of jeans because I love jeans and I feel like I'm gonna wear them even when I don't. I tend to wear the same clothes over and over again until I get tired of them. So like these pants I wear literally 2 times a week. So yeah, I need to start wearing my other pants because I'm gonna have to start getting rid of some. I'm just gonna go through this. I'm gonna try some of them on, and then I'm gonna tell you guys which ones I'm getting rid of. Okay, so these are all the jeans I'm gonna be getting rid of. I tried these on, and it's either that they don't fit me anymore, or I just have jeans that I would prefer to wear over these ones. So first up, they do fit nicely. It's just that I have other jeans that I would wear over these ones. My mom doesn't like this next pair, and I'm finally getting rid of them. They're from Faded Glory, which is basically Walmart, but I thrifted them. And I'm getting rid of them because they're high water, and that's the reason why my mom doesn't like them. But I'm finally going to be getting rid of those. I have these Levi's. I really don't want to get rid of these, but they're too small. They don't fit. They're 25. I'm like a 26 to 27. And then I have these jeans, also Levi's. Then I have these ones, Wild and Fable. Not much to say about those. And then these Calvin Kleins. Some of them, I just don't like the rise on them. Like, these ones are like mid-rise. I think it's the same thing with these. These are mid-rise, and I just don't like that. So that's why I'm getting rid of those. But I'm getting rid of these ones. Actually, boy jeans. But they fit really nicely. It's just that I have a lot of other jeans that I would wear over these ones. So I feel like I don't really need them. And then the other pair I'm getting rid of are these ones. They have like rips in them, and I just don't like how they fit on me. I feel like these ones are just a little bit too big on me. So 8 pairs of jeans that I'm going to be getting rid of. But I did pretty good in the jeans section. Okay, so I organized my pants drawer. I got rid of a lot of pants. As you guys can see, I even have space for more pants right there. But this is how it's looking, and I'm really excited. That bag, I'm going to fill it up with trash. I need to clean out my closet so that I have more space to put all of this in there. So I'm going to be doing that next. Okay, I got rid of some more stuff from my closet and from my pajama drawer because I decided that this is going to be my pajama and my t-shirt drawer because I had my t-shirts in my closet, but I don't wear them that often, so I decided to put them in my pajama drawer. So these are all t-shirts and these are all pajama t-shirts and bottoms, and yeah, basically that's that. So I'm going to be getting rid of this one. It's super stained, and that's because this is my hair dyeing shirt. But I chose to make another one my hair dyeing shirt, so I can finally get rid of this one since it's super dirty. This one I'm also getting rid of because it has paint on it, because I used this when I painted the other room, so I'm getting rid of this. Okay, this is a Hello Kitty onesie. I'm getting rid of it because I didn't wear it this winter. This t-shirt I'm getting rid of. I just don't wear it. Okay, this one is so cute. I loved this shirt when I first bought it from Hollister. It looks dingy is what I'm trying to say, so I'm going to get rid of that one. This one's really cute. I just never wore it. This one I'm not donating. It has like a bleach stain, so I'm getting rid of that. And this one I only wore like twice. It was for this occasion, and it got stained somehow. I don't know if it was stained and I put it away or I got it stained that day. I don't know, but I'm getting rid of it. This is a really cute top, but bleach stain. I like this top a lot. I just never wear it, so I'm getting rid of it. This one, I loved this one when I first got it. I don't know if I still have the video up, but if you go like all the way back, I did like a Milk makeup review or tutorial, I don't remember, and I was wearing this sweater. I used to love this one, but I'm finally gonna get rid of it. This top is really pretty. I just never wore it, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Same with this one. It's really cute. Just don't wear it. And then this one I've had for like 2 years and I've never worn it once. So I'm finally going to get rid of it because every time I do a closet clean out, I'm like, no, I'll keep it and I'll wear it, and I never wear it. Okay, so I forgot to show this, but I also got rid of some other stuff that I just threw in this box. But I'm getting rid of these shoes because, I don't know, they just don't really fit. And then I'm also getting rid of these Vans. And then I'm getting rid of these Velcro shoes. When I first got these, I really liked them. I would wear them all the time, but now I don't really wear them, so I'm getting rid of them. And then everything else in here is random, like the purses, candle, a little bag, wallets. I have a lot of wallets in here, actually. I'm getting rid of all of that stuff, and I have this belt I'm also getting rid of that I never wore. That's everything that's in this box. As you guys saw, I got rid of a good amount of stuff. I'm actually really happy because now everything's organized, and I have extra space in my drawers because before it was really cluttered. That was it for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!